What's going on, guys? Welcome to Gs Exotic Finches. And today we got here a pair of red-billed firefinch. Yes, we do. These finches are one of my best finches. I just love the way they look. Everything about these birds, calls my attention. They are beautiful in every way. Just got them in. They are wonderful. Breeding season been going very well for me. Multiple babies from different kinds of birds. We got the new Irish fancies as well. Super thin, super skinny. Very beautiful birds. If you guys never had the Irish fancies, I highly recommend it to everyone. They sing beautifully. They look stunning. Small, skinny. I mean, if you like those type of birds, I enjoy them. I don't really like those big, bulky canaries. This right here calls my attention. We got 3 pairs of the Irish fancies. We got Booleans. We got the Diamond Firetail mutations. I just threw the wax bills in here because they were in the cage where the firefinch were in. I just put them in there for now. Yellow mutation. Here we have this is a female. Look how skinny these birds are. Precious, beautiful. The one in the front is a male, the other 3 is a female. We got eggs in here. Oh, I gotta take that out. Gotta take it out. This finch always comes out. I don't know how he does it, but he does. Here we got a baby Boolean and 2 starfinches in here. Down there we got 3 starfinch babies. Okay. We got eggs in here, eggs in there, eggs in there, eggs in there. These babies are gonna come out and they're gonna start laying again and it will go to them. We got a cage here full of baby Booleans, starfinches. We've been doing pretty good. Okay, we got fertile eggs in here. We got eggs in there. We got a bunch of eggs in here, I'll tell you that much. They are all fertile. Well, this one doesn't look like it. Maybe he's still in the... I just checked the other day. Let's see. I gotta put the light to it. in here as well. We got eggs in there. We got babies in here. We got eggs in here. We got eggs in here. Like I said, we got babies in there. So everything is going very well here for me. Hope everybody enjoyed this little video. And till next time, guys. Bye-bye now.